Think of a world-class orchestra. You see talented musicians, each a master of their instrument. But who brings them together? The conductor. A regional sales manager is much like that conductor, leading a team of sales professionals towards a symphony of success. It's not just about hitting the right notes individually, it's about orchestrating a harmonious performance across an entire region. This essay explores the multifaceted role of a regional sales manager. We'll delve into their key responsibilities, the crucial skills needed to excel, and the vital role of teamwork and technology. We'll also examine the challenges and rewards, highlighting the immense career advancement opportunities this role offers. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind becoming a top performing regional sales manager. A regional sales manager's responsibilities extend far beyond crunching numbers and setting sales targets. They are the driving force behind their team's success, responsible for recruiting, training, and motivating a high performing sales force. Picture a basketball coach strategizing plays and inspiring players to reach their full potential. Beyond team management, regional sales managers develop strategic sales plans tailored to their specific region. They analyze market trends, identify growth opportunities, and adapt their strategies to stay ahead of the competition. This requires a deep understanding of the market, the customers, and the competitive landscape. Essential skills beyond the sales pitch. Qualities of a great regional sales manager. While a strong sales background is valuable, becoming a successful regional sales manager demands a diverse skill set. Exceptional communication and interpersonal skills are paramount for building strong relationships with team members, clients, and stakeholders. Think about a skilled negotiator, able to understand different perspectives and find common ground to achieve win-win solutions. Furthermore, analytical thinking and problem-solving abilities are crucial for analyzing data, identifying challenges, and developing effective solutions. A data-driven approach, combined with the ability to think critically and make sound judgments, is essential for making informed decisions that drive results. The tools of the trade: data, technology, and the human touch. In today's digital age, regional sales managers leverage a range of tools and technologies to optimize their team's performance. Customer relationship management, or CRM systems, sales forecasting software, and data analytics platforms provide valuable insights into sales trends, customer behavior, and market dynamics. Now, imagine a skilled carpenter utilizing a variety of tools to craft a masterpiece. However, technology alone is not enough. The human touch remains paramount in building and nurturing relationships. Active listening, empathy, and the ability to connect with people on a personal level are essential for building trust and fostering long-term partnerships. The role of a regional sales manager offers significant career advancement opportunities. Strong performance in this role can pave the way for leadership positions at higher levels, such as national sales manager, director of sales, or even vice president of sales. Think of a climber scaling a mountain, each successful climb leading to a higher vantage point. Moreover, the skills and experience gained as a regional sales manager are highly transferable across industries. The ability to lead teams, develop strategies, analyze data, and drive revenue is invaluable in today's competitive business landscape, opening doors to a wide range of career paths.